Loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Nano, and in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how I take down my birds. Please bear with me, y'all know how it goes with me with doing voiceover. So I'm gonna use a plastic bag, a rectal comb, scissors, and a white comb. In this one, I already see where my hair is, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut that so I can unravel it. But the one in the middle, when I'm not sure or I can't see it because it's actually longer, I just use the rectal comb. And this one, I'm just gonna use the rectal comb. As I can see, I have a little bit of buildup, but guys, I have a lot of dandruff, a lot, and I'm gonna show you guys what I do to take care of that. So everything is out and in the bag. I'm gonna go ahead and finger detangle my hair and use the white comb to more detangle, and I will be back. As I can see, guys, I have a lot of dandruff, as I said before. So you're probably wondering why this is so short. Yeah guys, actually it was like I had a bald spot here, but now the hair grew back. I do use a lot of oils, treatment and everything, but yeah, it's coming back now. I'll put the pictures somewhere so you can see. So now to make the dandruff treatment, I'm gonna use some ginger, some aloe vera, and you're gonna need a blender just to blend everything. I'm gonna cut the ginger in small pieces so I can blend it. Please do add a little bit of water, okay? And after that, I'm gonna blend it and strain it to take the juice, because we're gonna use the juice. Then I'm gonna blend the aloe vera, add the ginger, about 2 tablespoons of ginger and 2 tablespoons of castor oil, and then we're gonna blend it back so everything can mix really well. Then we're gonna apply it on the scalp, the hair, on the scalp and the hair. I'm sorry you guys for my voice. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna put on a plastic cap and let it sit for about 15 to 30 minutes. It's up to you. If you have sensitive scalp, will recommend to sit for only 15 minutes. Don't let it for 30. So yeah, you guys, as you can see, I have a lot of ginger juice, and now I'm gonna go ahead and blend the aloe vera. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of ginger. I was shaking it because it's like everything was just sit down under, so I was just make sure I mix everything together. We're gonna use this black castor oil, extra dark, 2 tablespoons of that. Then we're gonna blend it back so everything can mix really well together. And then after that, we're gonna put it in you can put it in a spray bottle or a squeeze bottle. I use a squeeze bottle so I can apply it all over my scalp and hair. Apply it all over the scalp. This treatment you can do it twice a month. If you have sensitive scalp, you can still do it twice a month, but I will recommend that you skip the ginger. On the second time, just use the aloe vera and the castor oil if you have sensitive scalp, but it's really help you guys. I'm sure you already know the benefit of aloe vera and castor oil because it's all over the internet. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and add that all over my head, and like I said, cover it with a plastic cap for about 30 minutes. But I'm gonna say that again, if you have sensitive scalp, please just leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. You don't have to go for 30. It's still gonna help. And make sure you give it a little massage. Leave it for 30 minutes. Well, that's what I did, but like I said, you don't have to. That was my attempt of showing you guys how I wash my hair, but that was a fail. So I just entered just little clips so you guys can see. I did have some left from this treatment, and I'll go ahead and add it before I wash my hair. So yeah, to wash my hair, I used it was Kento. I used the Kento moisturizing shampoo. It's good for all type of hair. I use that in shampoo twice, and I used She Moisture conditioner. I don't remember which one exactly, but I did use the She Moisture conditioner. I'm gonna write it somewhere so you guys can see.
So yeah guys, my hair is still wet, not dripping wet, but a little like damp. So I'm gonna show you guys what I use most of the time. So I'll use this Loda Body leave-in conditioner, and with this Slick Me Brow Lotion, and I'll finish it with my oil. That's it. Most of the time I let my hair air dry, but today I'm gonna go ahead and use this blow dryer. That's the one I use. Nothing fancy. It's by Conair. Yeah, so we have the little comb in it. So yeah, that's what I use. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side to show you guys what I do, and I'll do this one off camera, and I'll come back and show you guys the finished result. So yep, let's get into it.
And as I can see, my scalp is looking really clean, and I gotta say it feels really fresh to you guys. Y'all need to try this. If you haven't tried it, y'all need to So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this the leave-in conditioner by Loda Body. I'm gonna spray it all over, make sure I get coat all of my strands, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply the blowout lotion. I'm gonna start detangle with the white of comb. Now guys, remember detangle is key, and please be patient, okay? That's the blow dryer I showed you guys earlier. It have two settings, low and high. I always dry my hair on low heat. So yeah guys, sometimes I don't even use the blow dryer, but yeah, please take your time, be patient, okay? Finger detangle. If you have to spend 3 hours of 3 hours to detangle your hair the right way, please go ahead and do so, okay? That's how you're gonna maintain your length and everything. So yeah, if you wanna grow your hair, so please you gotta treat them with care and be gentle, okay? So yeah, my oil, you guys, it's really good. That's what I'm gonna use now, okay? It's really good. Like I said, I used to have a bald spot in front of my hair, you guys, and this thing to bother me a lot, okay? Always have a hat on, sometimes a headband, whatever, okay, whatever it takes to cover it. So that is the reason why I start my hair journey. So yeah, I've been using this oil, and it's really helped. So yeah, I'm gonna put a picture somewhere for you guys to see. But now, thanks God, and with the help of this oil, now my hair grew back, and I'm really happy with the results. I'm happy right now. So yeah guys, like I said, be gentle, take your time to detangle and everything. Make sure you do at least one treatment, a treatment once a month. um it really helps. And always put some oil on your scalp. So yeah guys, basically that's it for my care. After I take my braids down, I don't really use a lot of things. Like I said, I just use the Loda Body leave-in conditioner and the blowout lotion, and with my oil. So yeah, that's pretty much all I do. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. So yeah guys, I was really happy with the result, as always. So yeah, my scalp is feeling clean, fresh, and smells so good, you guys.
So yeah guys, like I said, basically that's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. If you have any comments, and I'll see you on the next one. I loves.